we have decided to dwell on Form 2 chapter on factorization. It's a joy you have chosen to join us, and we're gonna take you through these examples. Possibly by the end of the session, you will be in a position to remember all these things, and if you have never learned them, then it's your first time, then you'll be able to factorize any given expression. Now, this is a chapter on quadratic expression and equations on Form 2 factorization. So our examples are these two. Factorize the following expressions. This one, x squared plus 12x plus 36, and part B, that is x squared minus 8x plus 16. So come over, let's work on it and see how you do those things. So the first one is x squared plus 12x plus 36. So this is x squared plus 12x plus 36. Now, when you want to factorize any expression like this one, you find for two terms, okay? One of the terms whose product, the product of one of the, now the coefficient for x squared is 1, okay? So the product for those two terms, their product should be 1 times this one, 1 times 36, 1 times 36, which is 36, and the whose sum, the sum should be positive 12. So you look for two values whose product is 36. Have I arrived at 36? I've taken the coefficient of x squared here, and also these values which is on this other end. So 1 times 36, the product should be 36, and the sum of those two values we get should be 12. Now, which two numbers give such fulfill such a condition? And you find that it is a positive 6 and a positive 6, because if you add positive 6 and a positive 6, it gives you positive 12. If you multiply positive 6 times positive 6, it gives you positive 36. Now, once you get now these two numbers, we will take them and replace this coefficient of x. We will replace 12 here. So what do we have here? We shall have x squared plus, now this one is plus 6x plus 6x. Where have I gotten this now? I've just picked these two values, placed them here, replaced it with the 12, then finally I add 36. So what has happened? I do not have a positive 12x, I have a positive 6x and a positive 6x. Alright? Now from there, I now consider now from this end, and I factor out the common terms. What is common here? X is common. So for x here we shall have x, plus for x here we shall have 6. Then plus, what is common in this now? These other two. What is common in these other two? 6 is common. So plus 6 into x, that we can, after opening, you'll be able to get 6x. Then plus, this should be positive 6. So that if you get this one, you shall be able to get 36. Now, once you do that, the final part now is get this x and this positive 6. So this is x and the positive 6. Okay, which x? This one and this one. The other thing we recognize is that this and this are the same, x plus 6 and x plus 6. So these two, we just pick one. So we shall have the other value here to be x plus 6. And that way, we have factorized that expression, in that if you open this one, if you expand this one, you shall get this value here. Okay, so because this x plus 6, it's a repetition of one expression, we can say this is x plus 6 squared. X plus 6 squared. So that is how you factorize this expression. That is how you factorize this expression. Get two values whose product is 36. How do you come up with 36? This coefficient here and the last value here, coefficient of x squared and the last value there, 36. The sum of the coefficient or the number that accompanies x here, you get is 12. So whose sum should be 12 and whose product should be 36. Get it 6 and 6. Then you have positive 6x and positive 6x. And then after that we have of course you consider this and also this. Pick out the common terms. So x is common in both cases, so you shall have this is x plus 6, and then here 6 is common, so you have 6 into x plus 6. Now pick this one and this one, get this one, then out of these two just get one, and there you have arrived at your answer. Now the other question is part B, and we're gonna solve it on the other end, and we see how you also go about it. Now in part B we have x squared minus 8x plus 16. Right, so now here we have 1, here we have 16. So we will pick two values whose product will be 1 by 16, should be 16, and whose sum should be the number which is accompanying x, and that number is negative 8. That value is exactly negative 8. So now, which two values fulfill these conditions? That after adding them, you get negative 8. After multiplying them, you get a positive 16. These two values should be negative 4 and a negative 4. Negative 4 plus negative 4 will give us negative 8. Negative 4, it should be negative 2, sorry. Let me see. When you roll them, okay, yeah, it should be 4. Negative 4 plus negative 4 is negative 8. Then negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Yeah, that way. So now we have the two values here. So we shall pick them and replace them here. Okay. So what will be our expression? It becomes x squared, right, minus 4x. We do not put 8x again, negative 8x. We replace negative 8x with these two values. So it will be negative 4x minus 4x. Okay, so this replaces this one. So we have this here, and then we have finally plus 16. Right, now from there, check out this one, check out this one. We shall have, this is, okay, so this one will be x. What is common here? X is common. So we have factor out x. So we have x into x and then minus 4. So because when you open this one, it will be x times x, x squared. X times negative 4, negative 4. Then minus, what is common here? What is common here is 4. 4 is common, sure? So we have minus 4 into, okay. So factor out this one, shall have x, so that we can have negative 4x plus, not really plus, we shall have a negative here, so that here we can have a negative 4. So that if you have to multiply negative 4 times negative 4, you shall be able to get a positive 16. So here you can't put a positive, because if you put a positive, then a positive 4 times negative 4 times positive 4 shall give you a negative 16. So for you to get the value, this one should be negative. So after that, after getting to this point, we pick this one and this one. So this and this. So it shall be x minus 4. Now we have x minus 4. Now this one and this one, they are common. You pick one of them, it shall be x minus 4. So this one, because it's a replica of the other one, we can just say this is x minus 4, x minus